Today I'm going to talk about something we all need to have, printers. Specifically, I'll talk about the best printer for your needs, but not just the low-cost printers. If you're like me, you've had your share of printer problems. I don't use HP due to its instability as well as its lack of security. I use a Canon printer at the moment and it serves my needs. But is it really the best choice out there? I'm going to break down what really matters: security, stability, usability, and hidden long-term costs. Welcome to A Better Tech. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Make sure you like and subscribe or I'll steal your RAM. I'll start with the most crucially overlooked aspect: security and data privacy. In an age where personal data is gold, your printer can actually be a surprisingly weak link. Many models have internal storage that hold copies of your print jobs. When you replace a printer, make sure you get the data wiped from the internal storage before recycling the old one. Also, some manufacturers collect data about your printing habits. This is where you need to be selective. You want a printer that gives you control over the data they collect. The printer should also offer secure connections for data transmission and possible encryption on the device itself. You also want to receive regular updates to patch security issues. A good printer manufacturer will be transparent with their privacy policy. While specific models vary, generally Brother and Lexmark are often the most secure, even with their consumer models. Lexmark highlights secure by design principles. Epson also has clear privacy policies. Canon is generally good, but it's always worth reviewing for specific models. HP, on the other hand, has faced criticism for their data collection practices. Next, I'm going to discuss stability and reliability. Nobody wants a printer that doesn't work when they need it to. A stable printer is built to last, as opposed to using cheap plastic that breaks easily. The printer should also print when you click the print button on your document or picture. And if something does break, how easy is it to get help? From what I've seen, Brother consistently stands out for its build quality, especially the laser printers. I've seen these printers last for years with minimal problems. Canon printers are good quality as well, though experiences can vary. Epson EcoTank printers have longevity going for them due to the refillable tanks they use. Now I'll talk about usability, because a printer is useless if it doesn't work. Printers should be easy to set up and not require an engineering degree. The interface and software should be user-friendly. Also, it should have different connection options to easily connect to your computer or mobile device. And of course, it should be easy to replace the ink, clear paper jams, and perform routine cleaning. Brother and Canon lead the pack here. They're easy to set up and use. The Epson printers with refillable tanks simplify ink refills. HP is a mixed bag of tricks that require jumping through hoops, especially with their subscription services. Real quick, I want to tell you about the guides I've created for you to download. They can help you get the most out of all your tech devices. Check the links in the description after the video. Finally, the hidden dragon: long-term costs. That cheap printer might look like a steal, but it could be a money pit. Inkjet printers use liquid ink cartridges, while laser printers use toner powder cartridges. Toner cartridges usually cost more up front, but are able to print more pages, giving you a lower cost per printed page. Inkjet cartridges can get quite expensive over time. Although Epson's EcoTank and Canon's MegaTank offer refillable cartridges that can lower the long-term cost and reduce waste. You should also consider whether there are expensive parts that need to be replaced frequently. If you print a lot of black and white documents, a Brother laser printer offers the lowest long-term cost. For printing color, the Epson EcoTank or Canon Megatank are great choices. The initial purchase is higher, but the long-term cost can save you a fortune over time. I'll put a link in the description to where I buy my ink to help keep costs down. Make sure you shop around for a price you are comfortable with. Considering I don't recommend HP printers, here's what I recommend you look into for the best printer for your needs. When it comes to security, stability, and lower long-term cost, I recommend Brother laser printers. They are reliable, have good security, and excellent toner economy. For the best photo quality and very low long-term color printing cost, the Epson EcoTank and Canon Megatank are fantastic. Canon excels in photo quality. If you need ultimate security and enterprise level features, Lexmark is worth exploring. They could be overkill for home users though. Ultimately, the best printer depends on your specific needs. But by considering this information, you can make a more informed decision rather than just picking the cheapest one. Remember, sometimes paying a little more up front can save you headaches and money down the road. Let me know in the comments what your go-to printer is and why. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click on this one to get more tips for making your tech life easier. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.